So this is a 50 years old male, known case of hypertension, diabetes, and smoker. It's a status post PTCA to lady 6 months back, and now we presented with NSTEMI with chest pain, and on angio there was a grade 1 ISR in the LED stent. Stent is patent, and this is the RCA, and this I could see there is a 100% occlusion of the PLV in this epicranial cine. You could see there is a 100% occlusion, and it may be a thrombotic. You could see here. So this patient was in state scheme Yojana. So only one stent clearance we got for this patient after applying for the clearance. So we had only one stent. So after clearance on second day, we started PTCA to this PLV. This is the PTCA BMW wire with the right radial route. We went ahead, and this is the PTCA BMW wire. You could see, and it was not acute, so it took me a time to cross. It was not easy lesion, and that to a distal lesion, that to 100% occluded. So with balloon support, I could cross this lesion with the workhorse wire. You can see still I could not cross the wire with this 100% occluded PLV. And then with balloon support, I could cross the PLV with same wire, and you could see the flow. And this is a balloon dilatation, so we dilated it, and then you can see the flow has come. Dimetri flow has come with balloon dilatation after the opening of this artery, and you can see how this PLV has opened up so long. And then we decided to put a stent from that totally occluded part to the stent we took is 2.25 into 20. So this was a placement of stent, and after that we took a cine. So when we took a cine, we had a doubt to have a dissection over there just before the stent in this PLV. So we pulled out stent, and in this segment just before the bifurcation, and then we took a cine. Then there was no signs of any dissection. So now with the fear of dissection, we had to place the stent from here, right from starting of bifurcation where we suspected the dissection, and then we deployed the stent here with 10 atmospheric pressure. And this is the cine after the stent deployment, and you can see there is a some segment of PLV which has open. It has with TME3 flow, but still there is a thrombus after stent. So we had only budget of one stent, as this patient is in the state scheme Yojana. So you can see the thrombus just in that segment. So until we deployed stent in epicranial view, and this is the iliocranial view, and you can see there is a TME3 flow with this PLV. This was the final cine. So this is the final cine, and this was the angioplasty to PLV, the totally occluded PLV in this NSTEMI patient.